All right, here we are.
Ready for the Damajagua Waterfall.
We've got another great video for you today on how to have fun outdoors. That's right, the Damajagua Falls in the Dominican Republic. This is a shore excursion like no other, our favorite in all of DR, and we had a fantastic time. Hit that like button for sure. Make sure that you hit the notified bell so you can see all of our latest and greatest videos and shore excursions. Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends. It really means a lot to us if you can subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Check out Facebook, check out Instagram, and check out our website. But let's start off with one of the most beautiful areas of the Dominican Republic. This is the Hidden Jewel. This was actually discovered in the 1990s. That's right, it wasn't even that long ago. 27 waterfalls in the middle of the Northern Corridor mountain range, a hidden falls that are a true delight for you to check out. And this is a great shore excursion. We'll talk about some tips in a minute that you should prepare yourself if you're going to take this shore excursion. But overall, this is a great trip. It's the premier attraction of this Puerto Plata area, offering hiking trails with all kinds of incredible scenery. And if you're into canyoneering through narrow passages, sliding down natural water slides, and swimming through the caverns, this is the video for you. So let's get started and let's show you around this fantastic area.
See something beautiful, amazing, jumping, sliding, swimming, everything.
They're gonna have water slides, everything?
Yes.
So this is like a natural wet and wild, right?
Yeah, it's natural. It's national park, natural water.
If you're considering this excursion in the Dominican Republic, we highly recommend it. It is one of the most beautiful places we've been to in DR, and this is a great fun trip. So overall, you're going to need some water shoes. You can bring your own, or you can rent them there for $8. There are a bunch of rules with this particular park, but overall, the main tip that you should be aware of is the fact that you should be in pretty good shape if you're going to go on this excursion. It is about a 30 to 45 minute hike uphill, and you do walk through the woods, and it's beautiful and gorgeous, but you should be in relatively good shape. If you're older, pregnant, or have some physical limitations, we would not recommend this shore excursion. But overall, as you can see here, you'd take a bridge across the river over into the area where you hike up the mountain to the falls, and it is fabulous. So some quick tips: there's 27 falls. If you take a taxi out there on your own, you can do that, and you can sign up for a variety of different linked tours, and that works out pretty good. We elected to go with the cruise ship excursion and with a bigger group for this time of the year, but you can see here we had some major hiking up the hill, and you did get to take some breaks, as you can see, and that was great. And you got to meet some people as you were on this journey, and that was a lot of fun also, especially when we heard about our friends who recently racked up their internet bill.
It's a boyfriend.
We couldn't help but overhear that.
Snapchat.
Boyfriend, $80 charge for internet?
Yeah.
Oh, what's your name? Where are you from?
I'm from Bend, Oregon.
Look at that. And did you tell Mom all about this $80 charge?
I texted her. I told her I wouldn't use Instagram and I wouldn't use anything anything else. I just needed to text him.
Okay.
Snap him.
There you go.
Yeah.
Wow.
As you can see, we were having a lot of fun and everybody enjoyed the trip up. It was absolutely beautiful. And once you get to the river, you start to come down through the cascades and the pools, sliding down or jumping down or swimming or wading along the river gorge. And it was absolutely beautiful, and you'll get to see that in here. We recommend that you definitely bring your swimsuit, towels, dry clothes to change into when you're done. Don't forget to apply sunscreen. We didn't really need any bug spray, but I'm sure there's times of the year where you need it. There are lockers where you can leave your things. Once you get your helmet and life vest, you're off to the races. Like we talked about, bring your shoes. You can bring a GoPro, which is great. Otherwise, they are filming it, and they do charge for a video at the end if you want to do that. We also recommend that that the children should be at least 12 years old or older. There were some people that were a little nervous with the heights, but overall, it's a fun activity. And as you can see here, it was just a great time. All right, how'd you do out there?
Good, very good. I just need a shower.
Yeah.
Yes.
That was quite the little walk, right?
Oh my gosh.
About 30 minutes U.S. time, about 5-minute Dominican Republic time, would you say?
That is correct. That is correct.
All right, and now we made it to the top, so we're going to have some fun.
Alright, let's see it, guys. Come on. Yep, over here.
See you tomorrow.
They are absolutely between the coolest falls that I ever seen. Look at it all, it's so fun.
It is beautiful up here. Incredible. My favorite destination in DR. They have done a great job with this, and we still have more to go.
Yeah, and the landscape is also amazing.
It is remarkable. All right, this is the alligator section here. They don't talk about it much,
Oh.
but you gotta watch out for the alligators.
We were just joking about those alligators. The scenery here was remarkable. This is one fantastic shore excursion. And quite honestly, even with the 4K filming, you still don't pick up the beauty and the depth of this great waterfall excursion adventure. In fact, you can actually book this with the waterfall combined with the zip line that they have there, or you can actually just do the zip line, or you can just do the waterfalls. So you have 3 different options. We actually just did the waterfalls, and it was a great day. We really enjoyed it. And we'll show you this last pool where they actually allowed us to slide in and jump in. So you got to do both. It was a lot of fun, and we'll take you all the way back to the ship.
Wow, go! That's how you have fun outdoors, right there. Talking about how many feet? 16 feet here?
Like 18, like
18 feet?
More or less 6 meters.
6 meters. Let's do it, Alice. Say goodbye.
Okay.
Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Whoa. Wow.
Straight.
1, 2, 3.
Do it.
Go.
What an amazing time we had at this waterfall zipline park in Dominican Republic. We had a lot of fun. The nature was fantastic. There was all kinds of donkeys and wildlife out there also. We really enjoyed it. It was about a 20-minute walk back from the final pool, which was gorgeous through the woods, as you can see here.
He's doing it. It's a natural swing. What? How cool is that?
Look at that. That is awesome.
Well, thanks so much for watching How to Have Fun Outdoors. Definitely check out our other great excursions like the Aruba VIP schooner and snorkel. Boy, did we have a great time down in Aruba. Also check out our side-by-side ATV dune buggy. That's right, check that out and take a look at those glasses. And dune buggy and cave adventure in DR, that was one of the best shore excursions down in the Caribbean. We had so much fun. Alicia even blew out a tire, believe it or not. But overall, we loved it. So let's head back to the Carnival Freedom, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Please, 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 please hit that subscribe button. We really, really appreciate it. Helps get our videos out, and it means a lot to the whole How to Have Fun Outdoor crew. So thanks so much for watching How to Have Fun Outdoors.